Mathaa manini thutha wa ruhonge rwa borithi guku bururi-ini gwatha Oliver Njaoko uria onanagio ta Oliveti kwinana ceceni-ini ya borithi iria iri hakuhi nake agikuruhanio na gubanga na gutabania tharikira iria ciahanikire mwena wa Homa Bay hindi ya muthafara wa Linda Mwananchi.
Vijana turudi!
Ruciniro wa keri aumagaritio ni mawakiri yake Governor James Orengo na mubunge Babu Owino arokete kwineana wabici nene cia DCI. Atongoria magiteterithia ati Oliveti ni mutheru ta ira na gutire handu arakuruhanirio na njama ya gubanganya na keici.
Brought him here. We want to know why is the DCI, the police, alleging, and what charges do they want to press against him?
We will fight back with all means possible, all means legal and constitutional.
Mwena-ini wake Oliveti augite ni hariirie gufuata makinya mothe ma watho ndemwa kwa ndemwa angikorwo kwina uira muiganu uramukuruhania na ngero eno, akiuga arahakwo gicoro giki kumana na murugamo wake wa kiuteti.
Maisha yangu sijaifanyia mtu kitu mbaya, ni maneno ya kuwekelewa. Nimechoka na kutoroka na kuwepa. Ati siwezi kaa kwangu juu saa kidogo tukiwa na rally mimi ndio mtu anatafutwa. Na hii rally inabebanga watu wengi. Mbona Oliver ndio huwa mnaona hapo?
Please. We need peace. My kids need their father. I need my husband at home. We are not refugees. We are not fugitives.
Thutha wao kuingira wabici-ini cia DCI, afitha a DCI maugite matire na ndumiriri o yothe mamukirite eigie Oliveti na koguo matiramubatara gwa thaa ici. Na thutha wake gwikinya ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Muthaiga ona guku OCS augite ndoi ciigie ndeto ciake.
Was that Oliver may be required to appear before the RCIO Nyanza.
The National Police Service Facebook page or social media handles are handled by a blogger that even the police can't understand because
atongoria oho ni mokirira mubunge Peter Karuma wa Homa Bay makiuga riũa rĩtibatie gucoka ngo-ini ataikĩtio ngono kuona niwe ũrerĩkana guthararia mũcemanio wa Linda Mwananchi ena irathimo ciothe kuma kuri thirikari.
Insist that Kaluma must be arrested and Wanga must be arrested. Hii maneno ya kucheza games and we know what is happening, hii ni upuzi mwingi sana.
Kanja, that's the name. He has promised to make sure there's no goonism. Instead, they are paying, the police are paying these goons like the
Ukinyanagiria na riu gutire mwikuirwo ukinyetio igoti-ini one ona thutha wa borithi kuga ni maikitie ngono ekwirwo 37 kiuria gitari anja ni kana guoko kuraihu gwa thirikari gukunderaga na kunyiha makiria hoka ni guthuthuria tharikira kuri miahu itiganite ya mung'ethaniro. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gitonga wa Wambui.
Vijana turudi!